The Sports E-Class, with over $11,000 worth of extras. It's priced as though it rolled gracefully off the back of a truck.